Right. Let's get one thing straight. Bread. It's the cornerstone of our diet, isn't it? Toast in the morning, sandwiches for lunch. It's everywhere. But have you ever stopped, really stopped, to look at what you're actually putting in your body? Today we're looking at 10 popular UK bread brands you should be cautious about. Know what's really in your loaf. What I've seen on some of these labels is absolutely shocking. You think you're buying a simple, wholesome product, but what you're getting is a chemical cocktail. Sneaky additives you can't even pronounce. Salt levels that would make a sailor blush. Enough sugar to turn your morning toast into a dessert. Don't even get me started on the misleading marketing. So, grab your shopping list, because we are going through the supermarket aisles together. Right, first up, the big one. Warburton's. It's in every corner shop, every supermarket. You can't escape it. But let's pull back the curtain, shall we? Long shelf life, soft for days, means additives, like calcium propionate, E2A2. Do you have that in your kitchen cupboard? No. It stops mold, but what else? Your body has to process it. It's lazy baking. Real bread goes stale. That's quality. This stuff? It's mummified. 2 slices, a big chunk of your daily salt. Why? Salt is a cheap flavor fix for bland processed flour. The whole grain illusion. A few seeds on top. Check the percentages. So next time, stop. Turn it over. Read it. Don't be a donut. Be informed. Kingsmill. The name sounds majestic, doesn't it? They market convenience and kid-friendliness above all else. Spongy, processed bread, loaded with things they don't need. Let's talk about sugar. Why is there added sugar in a savory product? It speeds fermentation, gives color, makes it more palatable, more addictive. You're starting your kids on a path of wanting sweet things, even in bread. Highly refined white flour, bran and germs stripped away. Digested quickly, spikes your blood sugar, leaves you hungry. It's what I call empty food. The 50-50 range, you're settling for half. It's better than white, but not the goal. Should family-friendly mean sugar and refined flour, or nutrients and fiber? Demand better for your children. Havis, a brand that trades on history and wholesome goodness. They have fantastic wholemeal options, credit where it's due. But don't judge the whole range by one hero loaf. You'll find emulsifiers, E471, E472E, for uniform texture and softness. Useful for industrial scale, but not traditional. It's a shortcut. Wholemeal fiber, great. But additives you don't need. It's like drowning a healthy salad in sugary dressing. Halfway house? Some goodness, not all. Why settle? Be a savvy shopper. Heritage is powerful marketing. Read the label. If it's longer than a few simple items, ask why. What are they hiding? Be vigilant. Wholemeal good. Processing aids, not so much. Choose the loaf with the simplest list. Bread should be flour, water, yeast, salt. Anything more, earn it with transparency. Let's get down to the bottom shelf, the value ranges. It's incredibly cheap, and I get why people reach for it. But what's the true cost of that cheap loaf? Corners cut, cheap refined flour plus a cavalcade of additives to make it behave like bread. Look at the ingredients list: flour, water, yeast, salt, then flour treatment agents, emulsifiers, preservatives, soya flour. Gummy, pasty, sticks to the roof of your mouth, signs of low-protein flour and rushed dough. You're not getting fiber, vitamins, minerals, just empty calories, salt, and additives. If this is all you can afford, I understand. But even once a week, trade up to a simple store-brand wholemeal. Do your body a favor. Don't let them sell you rubbish. Short list, wholemeal first, lowest salt. Those 3 checks beat any price tag. Bergen, the bread that wants you to think it's the healthiest choice. Seeds add fiber, protein, healthy fats. That's good. But the health halo is powerful. Marketing can stop you asking questions. Sometimes the base is mainly refined wheat flour with seeds added. Verify whole grain content. Dense loaves use smaller slices. Per slice labels can look great, but per 100 gras may be higher in calories and fat. They add seeds, and also emulsifiers, added gluten, sugars, or syrups to stay soft. If you pay premium, expect premium simple ingredients, not the same industrial tricks. Don't be blinded by marketing. Do your homework. Check whole grain content, calories per 100 gram, and read the full ingredients list. It can be a good option, if the label proves it. Don't pay premium without proof. Walking down the Tesco aisle is like a maze. Value, standard, finest. They want you to grab the usual, or the one on offer. Let's be blunt. The value loaves are made to a price point. Cheap flour, long lists, preservatives, treatment agents. Nutritionally, it's a wasteland. Move up. Quality improves a bit, but you still must compare white, wholemeal, and salt and sugar levels. Wholemeal can be surprisingly high in salt. Finest sometimes means simple, better recipes, but not always. Emulsifiers and additives can sneak in. Single best advice: ignore value or finest labels. Pick 2 or 3, compare per slice. Ingredients: 100% wholemeal and lowest salt. Shortest list wins. Don't let packaging guide you. You make the decision based on facts. Sainsbury's sells quality, slick marketing, softer lighting, appealing packaging. You must look beyond the branding. Budget is built to low cost. Expect treatment agents, preservatives, minimal nutrition. Looks wholesome, feels quality. Turn it over and read the small print. Added sugars, emulsifiers, salt higher than you'd expect. Taste the difference can be a masterclass in perception. Some real sourdoughs, many industrial slices in fancy suits. Be a cynic. Be a detective. The truth is in the small print on the back. Read it. Every single time. Beautiful pack? Great. Beautiful recipe? Essential. Asda and Morrison's. Big on value, big family shops. Affordability often means higher salt and more additives. Rock bottom price. Ingredients read like a chemical dictionary. Low-grade flour and fast process have no flavor. Salt and sugar are the blunt tools. Locked in price wars with discounters, the first casualties are quality and nutrition. Freshly baked often means frozen, part-baked products finished in store. Same additives. Whether sliced value or warm bakery, read the label. Discount lines often run highest in salt and additives in the whole store. It's an affordability trap that can cost your health. Don't fall for it. Ah, the German discounters. Bakery sections, fresh smells, incredible prices. They compete with big brands, but to keep prices low, they follow industrial recipes. Turn a standard white or wholemeal. Look for preservatives and additives. Check whole grain percentage. 51% wholemeal is not 100%. Bake-off needs robust dough, often extra gluten, emulsifiers, conditioners. Ignore the warm smell and bustle. Find and read the label. You can find gems, or end up with processed loaves. The label tells you which. Shortlist, wholemeal first, lowest salt. Those 3 beat any front claim. They look virtuous and cost the most. To lower carbs and raise protein, they swap flour for isolates and fibers. Wheat, soya, pea protein, cellulose, gums, sweeteners. Sugar alcohols can cause digestive upset. Quinoa, spelt, chia, flax, often decorative sprinkles. Bulk is still standard wheat flour. Be a numbers person. Grams of fiber, protein, sugars, or sugar alcohols, per slice and per 100 gram. Often a plain 100% wholemeal is just as good, or better, and much cheaper. Don't pay for marketing hype, pay for nutrition. So there you have it. 10 warnings. It's not about never eating bread, it's about opening your eyes. Big companies use every trick. They rely on your rush, your loyalty, fancy packaging. From now on, that stops. You are in control. Read ingredients and per slice. If it's long and confusing, put it back. Choose simple wholemeal loaves with minimal additives, or speak to a nutritionist. My job is to give you the facts. Your job is to use them. Don't let corporations feed your family processed rubbish. Demand better. Like, subscribe. Check the description for label tips and sources.